Rue An- Here you are at the intersection of the streets Rue du Donjon and Rue Anatole France. Just imagine, at the end of the 19th century, the Pathe brothers set up shop at Place Carnot in Vincennes, and their first factory was entirely devoted to film processing and production. A little later, a movie studio was added on. As the Pathe enterprise was flourishing, production sites, film processing units and movie studios mushroomed in this area, creating a veritable city within the city. In front of you, down at the end of Rue du Donjon, there used to be the front entrance of the main factory that later became Kodak Pathe. During the major part of the 20th century, this southern district was shared between its residential and industrial vocations. In 1987, as a result of the slow process of deindustrialization of the nearer Parisian suburbs, the Kodak factory was demolished. This event marks a turning point in the history of the Quartier Sud. The industrial zone was replaced by the Château du Parc project, which consisted of a building complex including housing, office space, and public facilities. That's how, in the space of merely 2 centuries, the Petit Parc of the Château of Vincennes was radically transformed into an industrial zone and finally into a residential neighbourhood. Now take the Rue Anatole France just on your right and walk down to the next intersection to listen to commentary number 9.